Hi, I'm Drew Badri, FDOT Construction Project Manager for the Sunny Isles Boulevard Bridge and Roadway Project, as well as the Construction Project Manager for the Northeast 79th Street Bridge Project. The Sunny Isles Boulevard Bridge Project extends along State Road 826, Sunny Isles Boulevard from the Intercoastal Waterway and from Northeast 35th Avenue to Collins Avenue. Construction activities for this project began in August 2021. Work is scheduled to be completed in early 2023 with an estimated cost of $10.8 million. The bridge improvements include repairing structural, mechanical, and electrical bridge components, replacing the deck to improve the riding surface and reduce noise, painting the structural steel, and upgrading the emergency bridge generator. The roadway improvements include repaving and restriping the roadway, enhancing pedestrian ramps and bicyclist railing, replacing damaged concrete driveways and sidewalks, and replacing the traffic signal at the intersection of State Road 826 and Northeast 35th Avenue. Currently, crews are working within the permanent work zones on top of the Sunny Isles Boulevard Bridge. Work includes performing mechanical repairs, replacing grate on top of the bridge, electrical repairs, painting the bridge, and performing curb and gutter work along Sunny Isles Boulevard. The Northeast 79th Street Bridge Rehabilitation Project extends along State Road 934, Northeast 79th Street over the Intercoastal Waterway. Construction is scheduled to begin in March 2023 and last about 1 year, with an estimated cost of $10.2 million. The bridge improvements for this project will include replacing the existing fender system, performing tender house improvements, repairing structural, mechanical, and electrical bridge components, painting the structural steel, and upgrading the emergency bridge generator.